Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the second part of Windows 10. Today we'll discuss about Windows Hello. What is the function and why we are going to discuss about the Hello window. Hello window is a security system management. In this Hello window, we can use the biometrics security system for Windows 10. It allows you to sign in your system using the data like fingerprint, face, or wrist recognition. Biometrics login secure, fast, and easy to easy to create. Windows Hello requires appropriate hardware devices to be connected to the system for its proper working. It means that it is the one of most feature of the Windows 10 for the security systems. It's work only when the hardware is attached with this system. It is depend upon the hardware system. Means if you want to use the feature of the Hello, we have to attach the hardware in this system. Now we have already discussed about the creating a new desktop. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the next topic is utility of the Windows 10. Utility means different type of programs which helps to run the Windows 10. For example, Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is the player which helps to play the audio and video files to the systems. It helps to play the TV entertainment also, and there are the many window utility are there. First is window media player, second is disk cleanup, and third is step recorder, fourth is characters map, notepad, shape collector, math input, panel, etc. There are different type of Windows utility. First we are going to discuss about the window media player. Window media player is a player which is used to play the audio and video file to the systems. Means we can say that it also helps to burn the CD also. Burning means to writing the data from computer to the CD or DVD. It helps to play the different media files like audio, video, MPGP, means any format window media player can be play. Next is that RIP. What do you mean by RIP? RIP means copying the data from CD DVD to the computer is called the RIP. RIP means any type of data which is available in the CD, DVD, pen drive, and it will copy to the computer. It is called the RIPing. Next topic is that what is the procedure to perform the ripping. Means that first of all, if you want to copy the data from your hard drive, pen drive, etc., first of all inject into the systems, and after injecting the system, click on the my computer, that is called the in Windows 10 disk PC, and from there we explore the Windows drive, and from there we can see the hardware which is connected, and it will be display bottom of your all drives, and double click on the that drives, and right click on the files and folder and copy, and again click on the any drive of your systems, and there we can just right click and paste it. Means that we can say that copying the data from your CD DVD to the computer is called ripping. Next topic is that burning. What do you mean by burning? It means that copying the data from computer to the CD DVD is called burning. Its process is to burn the CD. Means burning means writing the data on the CD and DVD. Its process is that first of all we should put the CD or DVD to the this drive, and after that we can copy whatever you want to copy from your systems, and just open the CD DVD drive and right click on paste it. It is the most feature of the Windows 10. There is no any software like CD burning, neuro burning. These all burning software is no required. We just copy and paste into the CD or DVD, and the Windows 10 will automatically write the data on the CD or DVD. This is the process how we can burn the CD to the computer. Next is that we are going to discuss about playing a movie using a VLC media player. It is the most important software in the Windows Media Player also. It is the third party software to play the audio and video files in our system. Means that we can say that if you are unable to play any audio and video files, just we play the audio and video file by the help of the VLC player. VLC player also play the any type of video format which is not played by the Windows Media Player. It is the third party application. It is installed by searching on the Google or anywhere we can install it. It is not given in the our Windows systems. Next is that we are going to discuss about what is the function and disk cleanup. Means we can say that disk cleanup is a software which is used to clean the unwanted file. Unwanted file means which are being unused in our system. For example, that when we download any software or games from the internet, and when we install, during the installation some files are remain on in system. That file has no use. In this system, the disk cleanup is used to clean the unwanted file from your system and make the system free. Next topic is that working with the control panel. Control panel is the feature which is used to control all the system management which is installed in our system. First is that input output management systems. It also used to control the hardware which are connected to our systems. For example, that hardware and software setup configuration means that if you have add the printer in your systems, and you have to set the proper path to copy or print out the document. Means that one system is that system security. System security means that we can put the proper password to our system. Unauthorized person cannot be accessed to this. Next is that networking and internet. In this feature, we can establish the network to our systems which are accessed by the other peoples, and we can just put the security system to control their agreement. Means that while giving the password to them, the password is secured, and when the same password is not matched to the system, it is not allowed to the access the system by the other people. Use the account and family safety. Means that we can manage our account system for the child also and for the yourself also. If you are using the main account, there is the access of the doing the all type of work in your system. And if you are making the child account, in child account, the only part which you have given control, they can only access that part. Setting clock, collect, language and regions. In these systems, we can set our time according to our time zone. Language, in which language do you want to operate your operating systems. It also give the facility. Means setting the date and time. Just right click on the taskbar, select the option date and time, and from there we can manage or set our time according to our need. This is your way how we can change the date and time. And if you want fonts are the different writing characters which is available in our system. If you want to write any font, means suppose that if you write in the Hindi fonts, then we have to install the Hindi font. Kurti Dev is the most famous font for the writing the Hindi, and it will be downloaded from your system from the Google, and just copy and paste to the control panel. There is the font folder. In that font folder, you can just copy the font of Kurti Dev, and option will come install, and just we install and if you want to see that Kurti Dev has been installed on your system or not, just open the Microsoft Word and choose the font family there from the Kurti Dev and write from the keyboard, and the keyboard will write the in the Hindi fonts. That is the way to how to change the font in our systems. In next topics we'll discuss about that changing the mouse settings, and different features of the control panel are also given. Thank you.